you got room in the binding, cowboy. Agricultural inspection, all vehicles must stop. And we call it the bug station up here. And cars, pickups, trucks, whatever you got to go through there. And they got trucks to the right and cars to the left. And they're just checking to see what the heck you're bringing into California. And you can see the traffic's backed up naturally. A lot of cars. And most of the time, you know, when they get up there, they, you know, wave them on there pretty fast. Let them know what you're hauling and what you got on, and they will check you if you know if they think you're hauling something that some kind of fruit you shouldn't be bringing in, or lumber or wood, you know, anything like that stuff. Half a mile. Cars going, changing lanes, trying to get ahead of a couple cars, a couple vehicles. Oh, it broke down over here on the right. Looks like it broke down. It's out of plates. Watch for slowing traffic ahead. How about watch for stop traffic ahead? "101 degrees out here today. A little warm. I got a load of shelving on there going to LA area. And right now we're probably about 130 miles north of LA. And see how many lanes they got open up here. There's usually only one for trucks, but usually about 2 to 3 for cars. A lot of cars, you know, think this lane's going faster because it's moving a little faster than that one. They don't realize that, you know, tractor to trailer, take up 3 to 4 car spaces. So you see them get over here, and then when they get up here, they get back over to the left. It's like they might gain a little bit that way. This guy's only got one brake light. And them going back and forth, back and forth. All of a sudden, they hurry up, get back over there. It's like they might get ahead of a couple. They would have stayed there, they would have been further ahead. But here's the bug station up here on the right up here. Agriculture station here. And yeah, it looks like they only got one lane for trucks open. But they got 2 lanes open for cars. Yeah, that's all they got open for cars is just 2 lanes. But they only got 1 lane open for trucks. There's in a bug station. Looks like there. You pull up there and ask them, you know, they'll show them your paperwork and tell them what you got on there. So, happy trails, be safe, bye.